Here's another tutorial for you guys. This time it's Hurt. Johnny Cash kind of made it his own. Nine Inch Nails actually was the original composers of this. Trent Reznor, I believe. And Johnny Cash took it over in the 2000s. The song was wrote in 1994, 1995. And Trent, even from Nine Inch Nails, admitted that, it's not his song anymore. It's more so Johnny Cash, the way he did it. So good for him for, being so admiring of what Johnny Cash did to his song, which is really cool. And you got to give him credit for being that good of a guy. So let's jump into it. There's only 5 chords you guys need to know. A minor, C, D, you're going to need to know G, and you're going to need to know F. Alright, so starting off with the intro and the verse. The intro is going to be the same thing as the verse, except for, it's going to be exactly the same. So this is the main riff that's played 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. And then 2 more for the intro. So 10 times in a row, basically. So it starts on A minor, goes to C and D. And in between the A minor and the C, there's going to be a bit of a pause. You'll hear it. But here it is. And then it goes back. So there it is. That's going to repeat through, it's going to be the same thing for all the verses. So there's 2 verses to the song and the intro. And then there's a transition point too in between the first chorus and the second verse. The only thing that you're going to need to know is instead of on that 10th time you play this, that riff, instead of going back into A minor, so in between the chorus and that first verse, it's going to be back into A minor. So before I get too far ahead of myself, why don't I talk about the picking style of it? It's pretty straightforward. Basically, you're going to be in your A minor. You're going to take your picking hand. You're going to start off on A. So if you guys have watched my videos lately, you'll probably start seeing a trend on any kind of like picking patterns and whatnot. If you're going to be playing an A, your root's going to be an A. And so on. If you're playing in D, your root's going to be a D. So I'm sure you guys are going to pick that up. Same way with any other chords. So here we go. Talking about the picking part. You're going to start off with A minor, first chord. You're going to start by picking A, and then you're going to pick D, and this ring finger should be on there. So after you hit those 2 kind of root notes, so you just go from the D and strum down. Or you go from the G. So G, B, and E, you're just down strumming. So slowly. There you go. That's the basic progression of the song. But when you throw in that pause and then you go into between the C and the D, and when you go into the A minor, you're going to go. You're going to hit that note in between. So if I were to play the C really slow, you're going to go back up right there to the D string, and your ring finger's still going to be on there. Alright guys, so all together slowly, here it is. So then again, you're going to repeat that 10 times, and on the 10th time, that's when you start strumming. Alright guys, so you made it this far. We're at the chorus at this point. Basically, it's going to be A, F, C, G, A minor, F, C, G, A minor, F, G, G, A minor, F, G, and A minor again. So let me play it through for you guys while you guys follow along up there. So I'm going to start in off that last part of the verse though. So. There you guys go. It's very straightforward on the chorus. Simple strumming pattern, easy chords. So it's a really good intermediate beginner song. I hope you guys enjoy this one. Mess around with it a little bit. It's a really well written song. Also, it's great for practicing your picking on those verses. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sing the first verse and the chorus for you guys, so you guys can understand where the chords match up with the lyrics. So here we go. I hurt myself today to see if I still feel. I'm focused on the pain, the only thing that's real. The needle tears a hole, the old familiar sting. Try to kill it all away, but I remember every day. What have I become? My sweetest friend. Everyone I know goes away in the end. You could have it all, my empire of dirt. I will let you down, I will make you hurt. Alright guys, I hope that helped a lot for you. So tune in next time.